Okay, so over here on the left we have the circuit for the photoresistors. This all is going to be mounted on the quadcopter. So there's going to be 5 photoresistors, and then this LED is representing an entire LED light strip. And then there's the transceiver and obviously the Arduino. And so that corresponds to all of this over here. Here we got all the photoresistor modules, the LED, and then way over here is the transceiver. And so these all have little potentiometers on them, and so I have them all set so that they don't get tripped in normal daylight. Okay, and so now over here on the right, we have the Arduino, which is connected to the LCD screen, and also another transceiver. This LED, which is representing the laser, because that hasn't come yet in the mail. And then 2 buttons, one for the trigger, so every time you pull the trigger on the gun, and then one for reloading, so every time you reload it, that button will get triggered as well. And then so that all corresponds to this over here, the LCD screen, the transceiver, the Arduino. This is the trigger button, and then that one is the reload button, and then this LED is representing the laser. The main thing to know about the program running with the photoresistors is this if statement here, because what it does is it's checking if any of the sensors were tripped, and if they are, it's going to set the photoresistor variable equal to 1 instead of 0, and then it's going to send that to the LCD screen, basically on the other Arduino, and then it's also going to make the LED light strip, or in this case just the single LED flash, and that's what all this is. And then so what that means that over here, so it's going to, when it gets that, it's going to right here. So if the photoresistor is hit, if it's equal to 1, after getting it from the radio, then it is going to increment the hit counter, and it's gonna show that on the LCD, and then it's gonna reset it back to 0, and then keep checking again to see when it's equal to 1 again. Okay, so I'm just going to turn both of these on. So this initializes the LCD screen, if it will focus. There we go. So the number of shots, the number of hits, and the number of shots you have till you have to reload. So for example, if I shoot once, then the LED turns on, and the shots increments, and the reload decrements, and it'll do that every time I hit it until I get to 0, and then I have to reload it, and it won't let me shoot until I do that, and then I hit the reload, and then it gives me 5 more shots, and you can keep shooting. Over here we have the photoresistors, and so I have this flashlight that when I shine it at it, it will trip the photoresistors, and so you can see as I do that, the LED blinks. And also I did that twice, and the hits incremented to 2 over here, and also you can see that it worked as well over here. In the serial monitor, it says that it got 2 hits, which makes sense. So if I flash it over there at it, then you can see it goes up to 3. And it'll keep doing that, and if you do that enough times, then it will say game over, you won, you got 5 hits, which that number could be changed to whatever number you want. But in this case, we're just showing that you can win.